children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9 हाई स्कूल ग्रामर रेन एंड मार्टिन बुक से। ये आपकी बुक 2 का कॉम्पोजिशन पार्ट है। पार्ट 1 एनालिसिस, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एंड सिंथेसिस, और हम इसमें कर रहे हैं चैप्टर नंबर 2 फ्रेजेस। यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है आपको जो सेंटेंसेस हैं उसमें जो भी वर्ड्स आपके या एडजेक्टिव्स टैलिक्स में लिखे हुए हैं उनको आपको रिप्लेस करना है एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज से जिसका सेम मीनिंग आता हो। अ ग्रे क्लाउड स्प्रेड ओवर द स्काई। यहां पर इटैलिक्स में एडजेक्टिव है आपका ग्रे, तो हम इसको लिख सकते हैं अ क्लाउड ऑफ ग्रे कलर। दूसरा है ही ड्वेल्ट इन अ वुडन हट। वुडन इज द एडजेक्टिव और इसको लिखा जा सकता है a hut built of wood. He had a bald head. Bald head. तो इसको लिख सकते हैं a head without much hair, or you can write without hair. या फिर इसको सिंपली लिखा जा सकता है in a bald head. She wore a diamond necklace. Diamond is the adjective and it can be replaced as a necklace set with diamonds. Sentence हो जाएगा she wore a necklace set with diamonds. It was a horrible night. Horrible, a night full of horror. It was a night full of horror. They went by Siberian railways. Siberian, the railway running through Siberia. They went by the railway running through Siberia. A grassy meadow stretched before us. Grassy, a meadow covered with grass. A meadow covered with grass stretched before us. An earthen pitcher stood on a three-legged table. Earthen, three-legged. A pitcher made of earth. Three-legged, a table with 3 legs. Sentence बनेगा a pitcher made of earth stood on a table with 3 legs. The French flag flew at the top of the highest mast. The French flag, highest. The flag of France, highest. The mast of the greatest height. Sentence हुआ the flag of France flew at the top of the mast of the greatest height. That was a cowardly act. Cowardly, an act of cowardice. That was an act of cowardice. He is well. Well, in good health. He is in good health. A valuable ring was found yesterday. A valuable ring? A ring of value. A ring of value was found yesterday. Heroic deeds deserve our admiration. Heroic, यानी कि deeds of heroism deserve our admiration. Much has been said about the Swiss scenery. Much has been said about the scenery of Switzerland. Numerical superiority is a great advantage. Numerical superiority means superiority in numbers is a great advantage. The Rajputs were passionately fond of martial glory. Martial, not martial, it's material glory. So, the answer will be the Rajputs were passionately fond of glory in matter. I have passed 2 sleepless nights. Sleepless means nights without sleep. Sentence हुआ I have passed 2 nights without sleep. He is a professional cricketer. Professional. A cricketer by profession. He is a cricketer by profession. This book contains many biblical quotations. Biblical. So, this book contains many quotations from the Bible. She wants medical advice. She wants advice of a medical nature. A tall soldier stepped forth. Tall. A soldier of a tall stature stepped forth. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज जिसमें आपको एडजेक्टिव्स जो हैं उनको हटाकर उसकी जगह एडजेक्टिव फ्रेज बनानी। तो आपकी ये एक्सरसाइज आपको अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज में।